as China is vigorously promoting the application of clean energy. 4 large-scale hydropower stations along the country's Jinsha River have brought great opportunities for green development. Jinsha River is the upper section of the Yangtze River, China's longest river. Its exploitable hydropower potential amounts to 121 million kilowatts. The 4 hydropower stations, namely Xiangjiaba, Xiluodu, Wudongde, and Baihetan, have all been put into operation. They can effectively optimize China's energy structure, bringing benefits to both the environment and the economy.
我们累计发电量就是达到了5320亿度，就是这个相对这个就是节标准煤的话1.6亿吨，减排二氧化碳是4.4亿吨。
电站投产10年以来，累计发电量达到3036亿千瓦时，减少标准煤消耗超9100万吨，减排二氧化碳2.5亿吨，为国家的生产目标做出积极贡献。
我们现在还要沿着我们的金沙江两岸呢，也就是这一条走廊，我们还要打造新的这个清洁能源的基地。我们再继续建设风电、这个太阳能，还有抽水蓄能这么一些这个新能源的这个基地，来进一步的来提升我们的这个就是绿色发展的质量。